Hello guys, Marlon here of commercial window cleaning. They were doing another gutter cleaning in this gated community for Myers area, and this gutter cleaning I'll be doing is courtesy of the door hangers that I passed on before when we had a pressure washing job in the neighborhood, and the neighbors that gave me a call about this stuff, and that's why we're here doing another gutter cleaning. And they said in the future they will call us for another window cleaning in their house, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. As you can see, the gutters are not really dirty mostly. And you can see the house right there, not that big high like some other houses about the gutters. So yep, they're gonna be doing just gutter cleaning, and later on we are able to have some time and go to the beach, guys. Wish you guys a happy Memorial Day weekend, and see you guys later. You guys just have a great day and a good weekend. Bye bye.